morning, my dear students. Welcome back. I hope you all are safe and healthy at your home. Today, in this video, you are going to learn about email. What is email and how to create an email account and what are the different type of uses. So, let's start.
What is Internet? The Internet is a network of computers linking many different type of computers all over the world. The Internet has no single inventor. Instead, it has evolved over time. The Internet got its start in the US, United States, more than 50 years ago as a government weapon in Cold War. Internet services. By now, the Internet has become an indispensable medium. Internet is referred as the information superhighway. Services provided by Internet are email, World Wide Web, chat rooms, new groups, file transfer protocol, social networking site, and video conferencing. Now, first, we will talk about email. Email, a method of exchanging digital messages from an author to one or more recipient. Email is a message that may contain text, files, images, or other attachments sent through a network to the specified individual or a group of individuals. Example, sample of email address, name @gmail.com. Different email service provider, Google, Yahoo, MSN, and Hotmail. Next, internet services, www, that is World Wide Web. A most important services provided by internet. An internet based hypermedia initiative for global information sharing. Developed in 1989 by Tim Berners-Lee. The European Particle Physics Laboratory, Switzerland. Next is search engine. Search engine basically help us to provide the content which we search over the internet. Now some example of search engine are Google, Yahoo, Alta Vista, Wikipedia. Now, chat rooms. Chat rooms, real-time conversation via computers. Normally include on browser, freely downloaded from the web. Some are text only and other chat rooms support voice and video calls. Next is news groups. News group, an online discussion group that allows people to interact on a particular topic. Unlike an email message, a new group message can be posted by anyone. A use can start discussion, post message and respond to posting by others. Next is file transfer protocol. The file transfer protocol stands for a set of rules which we have to follow when we are sharing message through internet. The file transfer protocol is the protocol used to move files on the internet. File transfer or transfer file transform remote host, and this remote host are client and server. Video conferencing. Video conferencing is a live telecommunication between two or more people at different locations. It is an alternative to face-to-face meeting. It is usually include audio, video. Device required for video conferencing are webcams, microphones, speakers, display, user interface, and control system. Social networking site. Social networking sites are used to build online communication to share idea, activities, event, and exchange other things. Today, various social networking site outlets around the world are spread across the globe, and such networking sites are YouTube, Facebook, Google, Twitter, WhatsApp, and many more. Now, what are the services of the internet for library? Email. Email or email is short for electronic mail. It's a modern method of transmitting data, text files, digital photos, and audio and video files from one computer to another over the internet. Now, some history of email. During the 1960s and 1970s, many companies in the US used email facilities on their systems. This enabled users of terminals attached to those systems to send message to each other. That was even before the internet was invented. As companies began to connect their central system as host to their head offices, then employees were able to send emails to other employees on the worldwide basis. The internet just helped email become popular. That was in the beginning of the 1990s, when you were not even born. Now, sending messages. Email users create and send messages from individual computers using commercial programs such as Yahoo, ePulse, Windows Live or Hotmail, Gmail, or Globo.com. To send the message, the user has to specify the addresses. Messages to more than one recipient are called broadcasting. The email addresses need to be followed by the symbol @ means at, followed by the domain the organization's name, and finally the country. Like your name is a user, @Yahoo is the organization, and at last .br is a country. Like in India, we used IN. Email also contain header and footer above and below the message. They usually state the sender's name, email address, and the date that was sent. A user can store, delete, reply, or forward the message to others. You can use an address box and create a contact list. Now you can see here, these are the contact list created by an user. Most email program allows you to attach file and photos to emails to send to others. This includes audio and video files and digital photographs. You can attach as many files to a single mail message as you like, including multiple versions of same document in the different format. Why email? Why do people use email? Which are the advantage of using email? Are there any disadvantage? Do you have an email account? Now, the advantage of email, easy and fast to use and access. It is available all around the world. It is an interactive between programs, and also it is inexpensive. How to use email? We can use this service free of cost by registering with one of the email service provider. To get our email account, there are many service providers who gives this service to its user like Radifem, Gmail, Yahoo, Hotmail, etc. The service provider issues a username and a password to the account holder, which can be used to connect with the service provider for using this service. Creating email account. Let us open email account with the service provider, that is Gmail. Step 1. Click on Start button. Step 2. Scroll and click on Google Chrome from the Start menu. You may open any other browser also, such as Internet Explorer or Mozilla Firefox. Now step 3 will be enter the web address of the service provider in the address bar of the browser. Type www.gmail.com and press enter key. The Gmail welcome page will appear. Now step 4, click on create an account button. Step 5, enter the registration detail as needed and choose the username and a password. Click next button. Enter necessary details on the subsequent form. Read the privacy and terms and click on I agree button. Gmail creates your email account and display several welcome screens. Click on next button. Now this is Gmail display your inbox. Here you will receive all the mail which will be sent by the sender